Grabe yung struggle ko guys sa aking roof. Because it's blue like that. It's too strong. And the nails of my roof is removed. The wind is whoo! Wala talaga. Super talaga. See, do you have this in your place? Only in Lovable Girl life. Ay, ay. Only in Lovable Girl life. Ay, ay, ay. Ano naman. Grabe, even my shop here, in my shop, there is water. Na? Ay, grabe ka, very strong talaga. Yung typhoon talaga guys, very strong. Basa, lahat dito basa. We will put there the internet. Everywhere is wet. Grabe, first time that my roof is like, psh, talaga, it's dangerous guys, no? Dangerous talaga. Si Lovable ay nasa dangerous zone. Nasa dangerous place na. They are high maintenance. Saan ba to tayo? Lids. I don't like those broom. Why? Lids, you supposed to put primer. Lids, I don't like those broom. The pool is a big hit when you have get together. Yeah, that's true, Melvin. Melvin, this swimming pool is a pain of the neck and something else. Buang. Ay, they are high maintenance. Yeah, I never do. Huh? Primer. Wow. It's too strong. Did you say how the typhoon coming and after that it's destroy nothing? Aray ko. Ay. So there is no rain now. And yeah. So thank you guys. I think you are sleeping all. I don't have here people here. It's like 3 millions. And yeah, have a good day everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you everyone. My internet is actually not really good because of the what do you call this, a strong winds. Ay. Asa na ba yung ano natin? Yung